every night and every day. I see my telephone's ringing every night and every day. But I pick him right away. But all it was my Uncle Ray. No, no, no. I just can't stop thinking about it. Can't stop playing that blues. I can't stop thinking about it. Can't stop playing that blues. But I heard it from behind. But it only was my mind. Oh.
I learned in an art school. And actually, I was in the visual art department. I was paint and like learn all kinds of art mediums. So all my friends were musicians. At some point, I discovered that I can sing, and I always loved music. And I just started jamming with my friends, and then I suddenly knew that I wanted to do that. And just came to that.
Never wanna change. Different time, I'd never age. Would you even care at all? Would you hear my desperate call?
Being compared with Stevie Wonder.
Stevie's one of my favorite musicians in the world, and I've been listening to him since I was a kid. And it's amazing to have that comparison. But he's Stevie Wonder. He's my biggest hero. So it's really nice to hear. But it's Stevie Wonder.
My every line. Oh, I bet you wish this was a movie, girl. I had to take you back. I had to make you mine. Baby, I just can't stand to see you happy. Can't stand to see you cry. No, no. Baby, if you leave me, I might do something rash. Oh, this relationship.
Thank you, Jazzkaar.
We love Tommy.